I'm a game changer. I'm a risk taker. I don't hide from the battle. The battle hides from.
My introduction. My name is Guo Shuang. My mentor is Li Chengbo. The category is RCAP CoSpace Rescue Under 19. I am a student of Dalian Free Trade Zone No. 1 High School, and I'm from Dalian, China. I love learning and studying robots, which makes me more confident and brightens my horizon. I studied Rescue Line for 1 year and CoSpace Rescue for 1 year. My experiences is as follows. I participated in 2019 RoboCup China Open held in Shaoxing and won the 8th place in the rescue line secondary. I participated in RCAP 2019 held in Moscow and won 2nd place in the CoSpace Rescue Under 19. Abstract. The mathematical model of CoSpace Rescue Under 19 is a multi-objective optimization problem. While the multi-objective optimization problem has no optimal solution, in order to get more scores, we adopt the strategy of saving time as much as possible and devoting as much time as possible to the task of searching for objects, which is an effective strategy. The dynamic adaptive search algorithm we designed adopts 5 strategies: map information digitalization, robot behavior control, state transition control, optimal search strategy selection, and shortest search path planning. The experiment and competition show that the algorithm has excellent performance. AI strategy, multi-objective dynamic adaptive on-demand search path algorithm. CoSpace Rescue's mathematical model is multi-objective optimization, and many influence factors are random and not fixed. Therefore, in order to design dynamic adaptive algorithms to solve problems, we adopt 5 strategies, each of which is described in detail as follows. AI strategy. The first layer is map information digitalization. The second layer is robot behavior control. The third layer is state transition control. The fourth layer is optimal search strategy selection. The fifth layer is shortest search path planning. AI strategy. Layer 1. Map information digitalization. There are 2 ways of map digitalization. One is topologic, the other is grid. The topologic graph meaning contains abstract key points and paths, and it is difficult to extract data by automatic methods. Grid map can provide detailed information for robot operation and decision-making, and it is also easy to use automatic methods to extract data. In the process of map data, we use grid to build map. The map is divided into 360 times 270 grids of the same size to provide detailed data for the control robot. In grid map, there are 4 kinds of important data, which are detailed as follows. Grid map data focused on description of obstacles, traps, swaps, boundaries, and other information. Objects accumulation area data coordinate a range of different color objects on grid map. Objects deposit area data coordinate of the central point of the object deposit area. Map color information data object color, trap color, swap color. Layer 2. Robot behavior control. We designed some functions, for example, turn function, set function, get function, find function, avoid function, and goto function. Layer 3. State Transition Control. We design a behavior state transition control chart to control the search behavior of the robot. The behavior of the robot includes start, search, move, wait, go to super, go to box, deposit, and so on. There are 4 loops in the state transition diagram. The 4 state transition loops are as follows: 1. Decision, move, search, decision. 2. Decision, move, search, wait after wait, decision. 3. Decision, move, search, go to box, wait after wait, decision. 4. Decision, move, search, go to super, wait after wait, decision. Layer 4. Optimal search strategy selection. Planning search paths according to current demand, according to the number and color of objects loaded on the current robot. The shortest path algorithm is used to plan navigation paths to ensure the search of RCAP objects. When the robot is full, go straight to the nearest base. When the super object is created, go straight to the super objects. When the robot is loaded with super objects, go straight to the nearest base. Set RCAP3 cancel of object counters. When the object counter of a certain color is less than 2, the object of this color will be collected. When the counter is greater than 2, the object of this color will not be collected. This strategy can ensure that when a super object has been collected, it can be fully used to replace objects of any color to construct a new combination. According to the principle of collecting as many RCAP combinations as possible, we can select different color object accumulation areas to search on demand. When selecting the object gathering area, according to the color and quantity of the loaded object, the object gathering area to be selected shall be prioritized by the required color first and then by the distance. When the colors of the collection areas are the same, they are sorted according to their distance from the current location. When the colors of the collection areas are different, the required colors are in the front and the unnecessary ones are in the back. Layer 5. Shortest search path planning. We tried 7 shortest path algorithms: Dijkstra algorithm, flow algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm, SBFA algorithm, DFS algorithm, BFS algorithm, A-star algorithm. Finally, we chose A-star algorithm. BFS algorithm uses ordinary queues, while A-star algorithm uses priority queues and heuristic functions, so A-star algorithm is faster than BFS algorithm. The procedural code of A-star algorithm is as follows. Step 1. Initialize the priority queue and enter the queue at the starting point. Step 2. If the queue is not empty, the queue head node will be out of the queue. If the queue head is the target point or the queue is empty, execute Step 4. Save the shortest path value and the sequence from the start point to the end point and end. Step 3. Its legal name nodes are queued and they are sorted according to priority, and then go Step 2. Innovative. We improve the controllability of the CoSpace robot by controlling the behavior of the robot through basic functions and state transition. The strategy of dynamic on-demand search is used to ensure that the robot can search the RCCVB combination as much as possible and abandon the strategy when the RCCVB combination cannot be found. The method of grid mapping is adopted, and A-star algorithm is selected to calculate the shortest path between any 2 points. Acknowledgments. In the robot combination, we learned a lot of knowledge related to robots and made many excellent friends, which enriched our knowledge and made us more confident. Thanks to the RCAP for giving us the opportunity to participate, learn, and communicate. Thanks to the school for its great support. providing us with competition, coaches, and finding support. Finally, we sincerely thank our teacher, Mr. Li Zhengbo, and the friends we met in RoboCup. Thank you for bringing us priceless knowledge and endless fun. Thank you for your listening.